Come eat before our trip starts.
Breakfast looks great. Thank you, Dad. Mom, are we really going to Bali today?
Yes, today is our big travel day.
I am so excited.
Besides beaches, what else will we see in Bali? We will see temples, nature, and local culture.
That sounds fun.
Has everyone finished eating?
Yes, I'm ready.
Me too.
Don't forget to pack your clothes.
I packed my favorite hat. I packed my sunglasses.
Before we leave, let's check our passports.
Good idea. We don't want to forget anything.
My passport is ready.
We need sunscreen and travel snacks. I packed them already.
Great.
Wow, this airport is huge.
We should check in first.
Stay close to us.
May I see your passports? Of course.
Here they are. Thank you. Enjoy your trip to Bali.
Why do we have to do this?
It helps keep everyone safe.
That makes sense.
Welcome aboard.
This is my first flight.
You will love it.
We are moving.
We are flying.
Look at the clouds. The clouds look like cotton. They are so beautiful.
This is a wonderful view.
Look, we are finally in Bali. I am so excited for this trip.
Welcome to Bali, everyone.
Wow, the temple is on a rock.
It looks beautiful beside the sea.
This is one of Bali's famous places. Everybody smile for the photo.
I want to keep this memory forever.
Make sure you get my best side.
These souvenirs are so pretty. Let's buy something to remember Bali.
I want a small wooden boat. The sunset is amazing.
This is my favorite moment of the trip.
I don't want to say.
Today was the best day ever.
We made wonderful memories today.
Tomorrow will be another adventure.